Howdy, folks. Again, we're glad to have you back on our broadcast. New Shiba expansion plans and a token burning campaign have been proposed by Thomas. If and when a blockchain-powered version of the game is made available, the current burn avenue will be renamed Shiba Eternity. This video, the creator claims, illustrates how the Binance partnership can make you a fortune by holding Shiba Inu coins. If you want to see the latest Shiba, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and updated market analysis and price forecast. Okay, let's start the video right away. After a rough weekend session in which the meme token extended its down leg slightly below 1,000 following the release of the Shiba Eternity card game in Australia, Shiba Inu will be one of the tokens to turn green on September 19. This was made possible by the breakout of a descending triangle pattern. Regaining support at 1,170 would be bullish for SHIB, with a potential 9 cents gain. Long-term improvement is anticipated. The iOS adaptation of the card game has now arrived. This past weekend, Shiba Eternity launched to the public in Australia. The Android port is progressing quickly and will be ready in the next few days. SHIB. Burn Sheep Forever is a strong, hard, and fantastic game for Shiba Inus, as will become clear to Farm T and Shiba stockholders as more information becomes available. When the blockchain version finally drops, the true question is, where will you be to get it? Informed by Kusama, for example, she may have used Twitter. The Shiba Inu metabolic rate hit a new weekly high on September 17, surpassing the prior week's peak by itself. About $61,329,300 of SHIB has been burned up in the past week, raising the burn rate by 42%. In the past 24 hours, 9 separate Twitter transactions have resulted in the destruction of 61,329,300 SHIB tokens. ShibaNet's price has recently broken down from a descending triangle pattern. The chip price was supported at 105 cents, preventing a 46.10% drop below the breakout point of 1,178 cents. This was despite the fast-growing burn rate. On September 18th, after a bearish candlewick dropped to a low of $990.09. The meme token's bright view on Monday is due to the fact that investors have started buying Shiba Inu price until the breakthrough point at 1,178 cents is recaptured. The fresh upswing in QBE will be volatile. In that case, the potential for loss is 46.11% or 630 cents. There's a bearish signal from the moving average convergence-divergence indicator on the same daily chart. As long as the MACD is showing bearish price action, the Shiba Inu market price will be in free fall. Two possible levels of help are available: 9 cents, 90 cents, and 85 cents, 85 cents. Scenarios at the 2 cents/$630 level and down would be considered. The Shiba Inu's price recovery is anticipated to stall around 12,700 SHIB tokens worth $50.76 trillion that were earlier bunched together at a price of $100 per token, as shown by the IO API into the block. Resistance is anticipated to be consolidated as holders in this area sell at their own break-even positions. After being the latest victim of the crypto collapse, she said that holders of Shiba Inu tokens are finally getting some respite. Kusama declared that major revisions to the Shiba environment were finally here. Kusama claims that SHIB, Shabu holders, and bushes will all gain from the changes. If the Shiba, a new breed, were doing better, would they be able to make the most of the next download day? SHIB holdings still sees strange patterns of behavior among the greatest crypto billionaires despite the market carnage of September 19. The top 5,000 Ethereum whales are worth $143.06 million in Shiba Inu burning portal SHIB burn, as reported by a recently updated whale tracking site. His comment on how quickly SHIB tokens are being burned. For this reason, in the past 8 days, almost 550 million SHIB tokens have been sent to a non-existent wallet. The burn rate has reached the 4-digit range in the past week. Despite this, the burn rate surged by around 3,000% on September 16, and the token burned nearly 200 million coins. Despite these upbeat predictions, the markets looked terrible. At 106 cents on the daily chart, she was down more than 11%, with weekly losses of more than 20%. As market confidence falls, Shiba Inu trade volume falls to its lowest level since June 5. when profits were $1,000, the equivalent of $574 billion. The total value of the losses in SHIB traded was more than $284 billion. Similar to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, this reflected the meme coin's dismal state. Meme tokens and beef had a lower price-to-value ratio as a result. Since the trader's profitability has dropped in recent days, the value ratio was around 14.38%. Nonetheless, this is how SHIB tokens have typically been used. In anticipation of Milan Fashion Week, Richmond's official canine business partner, Shiba Inu, has been working hard to create a stir with his upcoming collection and a flurry of noteworthy developments. The renowned English designer John Richmond, currently living in Italy, just tweeted that he is ready to present his new collection at the forthcoming Milan Fashion Week, which will begin on September 20, 2022. The official URL business partner of Shiba Inu also aroused anticipation by asking a question and promised a slew of major news at the event. Do you have any expectations for Fashion Week? John Richmond noted that anticipation for Milan Fashion Week is at an all-time high. John Richmond is getting ready to release a new collection, which will coincide with a number of other noteworthy events. How excited are you for Fashion Week? It was Yoshi, creator of the Shiba Inu coin, who suggested Shibuya, a Layer 2 blockchain solution. Following the WL release, SHIB tokens will be transferred there. Rather than being a standalone blockchain, Roch's showcase is more likely to function as a second layer on top of an existing one. When it comes to blockchain technology, the creator of SHIB claims that an LL2 and one's own blockchain are essentially interchangeable, where Umatic, L2, and BSC diverge from one another. Ethereum is not its blockchain, and it does not indicate that a Shiba Inu 2.0 cryptocurrency is under development. SHIB's connection to Ethereum will remain intact. For the Shiba ecosystem to function optimally, one of the main priorities will be to lower transaction costs for its users. When Yoshi first announced Shiba Farms, he promised that transaction fees would be low, if not non-existent. Mariam would provide inexpensive fees for any service, game, or anything that builds on it, as announced by Shiba project lead Satoshi Kusama on the Shiba Discord. The entire market for cryptocurrencies was seeing a downward trend, which the cryptocurrency community was working to combat. Fortunately, Shiba has gained considerably in size in March, which was not what was predicted. During the previous week, its worth has skyrocketed by 20%, as measured by its market capitalization, data shows. However, Shiba is making an effort to put SHIB in the spotlight again. The value of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is predicted to rise this year as a result of ongoing fires and the introduction of new components. As a result, moneyed individuals are stockpiling Shiba Inu tokens in preparation for a surge comparable to that of 2021. It came as a surprise to many crypto fans when Shiba surged in 2022, but SHIB has since proven to be a solid investment. The bearish dominance did not warn the market about the coming bull run in March. The Shiba Inu stock price is currently trading above its 20 and 50-day exponential moving averages, indicating that it has recovered some of its losses so far this year. But it needs to keep going.